This footage will demonstrate how this handy vise rack stop fixes a common problem of workbench vices. When you need to clamp a small workpiece at the side of a workbench vise for cross-cutting, the jaw will rack, and it greatly reduces the clamping force. No matter how hard you crank the lead screw, the workpiece just won't stay in place. But if you place a vise rack stop at the other end of the vise, it will balance the force and prevent the jaw from skewing. Now the small part is snugly secured. When working on the end grain of a white stock, you also have to clamp it at the side of the vise because it is too wide to fit between the lead screw and the guide rod. So the jaw skews as you crank the lead screw, and it is not gripping the stock properly. You may be lucky enough to have another board with the equivalent thickness to balance the jaw, but it is a clunky operation because you only have two hands. With this vise rack stop, you can quickly clamp the workpiece into the vise and easily fine-tune the position. This vise rack stop is composed of 30 sheets of sleek high-density polyethylene, an MA shaft, and elegant brass caps. It feels very nice in hand. You just need to place the vise rack stop and the workpiece on the same level, flip the sheets that are not stopped by the workpiece, then you finish the thickness setup. The thickness of the sheet is 0.1 inch. There are 30 pieces, so the maximum spacing thickness is 3 inch. The sheets are properly tensioned. They are easy to flip, but also retain to hold the thickness setup. Thank you for watching.